Hey there, ever wonder what makes our planet so bursting with life? Today I'm taking you on a quick tour through the wild world of biomes and ecosystems. And trust me, it's way cooler than it sounds. So what exactly is a biome? Picture a gigantic zone on Earth like a desert or rainforest where the climate, plants and animals are all pretty similar. Deserts are dry, tropical rainforests are steamy and packed with life, grasslands are great for grazing animals, and tundras, well, they're super cold and mostly frozen. And don't forget the watery worlds, rivers, lakes and oceans, they're biomes too. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Each biome is made up of tons of smaller ecosystems. An ecosystem is basically a community, a bunch of living things like plants, animals and even tiny bacteria, all interacting with each other and their surroundings. This could be as big as a lake or as small as the log in your backyard. Now, how do these ecosystems actually work? Think of them as a super-organized energy relay race. Everything starts with the sun. Plants, also known as producers, soak up the sunlight and turn it into food. Herbivores like rabbits munch on those plants. And then carnivores like foxes eat the rabbits. When any of these creatures die, decomposers like fungi and bacteria break them down, recycling all those nutrients back into the soil for plants to use again. It's the ultimate zero-waste system. And it gets better. Biomes are bursting with biodiversity. That's just a fancy way of saying there's a huge variety of living things. More diversity usually means a healthier, more stable ecosystem. Every organism has its own superpower too. Cacti store water to survive in deserts, polar bears have thick fur to handle the cold, and tropical birds show off wild colors to attract mates. These amazing adaptations didn't happen overnight, nature's been perfecting them for thousands of years through evolution. But here's the not-so-great news. Human activity is putting some serious pressure on biomes and ecosystems. Deforestation chops down crucial forests, climate change messes with weather patterns, and pollution harms plants, animals, even us. Invasive species, plants or animals that don't belong, can throw everything off balance. When ecosystems get out of whack, biodiversity drops and everybody suffers. The good news? People are stepping up. Protected areas like national parks help keep habitats safe. Restoration projects rebuild damaged ecosystems. And when you conserve water, recycle, or support clean energy, you're part of the solution too. So, what about your own backyard? Think about where you live. What's your biome? What animals and plants do you see? Even a city park is its own little ecosystem. Are people helping it thrive or making life harder for the creatures there? You've got the power to observe, protect, and make a difference. Remember, understanding how biomes and ecosystems work isn't just science. It's the key to keeping our planet healthy for generations to come. So get out there, explore, and see what wonders you can discover.